Good morning. This is Patrick McCullough, forecaster here at the National Weather Service office in San Angelo. Look at the upcoming forecast across west central Texas. And all eyes continue to be on the hot and dry conditions creating our fire weather concerns across the area through much of the upcoming week. Elevated conditions today, but really I think the next big concerning day will be tomorrow for fire weather, especially west of an Ozona to San Angelo to Abilene line, where we have already issued a red flag warning for a Tuesday afternoon. Again, this is an area where gusty southwest winds over 30 miles per hour, hot temperatures and relative humidity dropping down around 10% will create favorable conditions for wildfire development should a wildfire get started. And remember, most wildfires across the area are started by people. So once they get started in these conditions, it's very hard to contain. So the best idea is really to keep them from starting in the first place. So let's use some extra caution and give our firefighters a break by working extra hard to prevent some of these accidental wildfires from starting. Otherwise, weak cold front pushes in the area today, especially across the big country. That'll allow temperatures only around the 90-degree mark up there. Further south, though, we'll start to see the heat spread with high temperatures in the low to mid 90s across much of the area, getting hot, breezy, and dry. Again, Tuesday looks to be even hotter and drier across the area. The dry line pushes across the area. Strong west winds driving temperatures up into the mid 90s across much of the area. Critical fire weather conditions in place across the Concho Valley and Big Country. May see an isolated thunderstorm across the extreme eastern portion of the area, say east of a Brownwood to Brady to a Mason line. Given the air mass in place and a little bit of better moisture out there, any of those storms late Tuesday afternoon could be severe with large hail as the primary severe weather threat. Again, though, just going to be isolated, and most areas across west central Texas will remain dry. And Wednesday may end up being the most concerning day for fire weather across the area, with critical to perhaps extreme fire weather conditions possible. Pacific front will push across the area, and that will bring slightly cooler temperatures, but a much drier air mass to the area, combining with strong northwest winds, maybe gusting over 30 miles an hour. We could be looking at relative humidities Wednesday afternoon at or below 5% along with those gusty winds. So we're really going to have to keep a close eye on Wednesday afternoon for dangerous to, again, maybe even extreme fire weather conditions possible.